What's going on? We get mad over here, hard on the waters.
Hard on the fucking water. She was a rough fucking trek in here.
You're right. Went about, fuck. Far enough anyway.
Far enough is right.
We get my boy over here
Like
just chilling. We come into a bit of weather. It's starting to sleet or fucking hail or
a little bit.
I don't know. It's not rain. It's frozen, whatever it is.
Frozen fucking rain.
But anyway, we finally get our fucking shit made up. We got our little beds. We just got to put some fur boughs down, put some tarps on that, sleeping bags, and we'll be getting the steaks out. Matt, what do you think of the food, bud?
Fucking A1 right there.
Nice big steak.
Mmm.
Got the taters cooked up, the onions. Thick steaks. Didn't even get the Lady Ashburns.
And after that, we were ready for bed. We had a full belly and a nice warm place to lay our heads.
We'll get the fire going. You guys going? Oh yeah. Laid down in bed for a little while. Tucker was kind of hogging the whole fucking bed, and so probably half an hour, and I had to get up and pee, so stogged the fire up good. Looks like we're gonna have probably just enough wood to get us through till morning. That is fast a fucking sleep. Couldn't even wake the fucking guy up if you fucking tried. On one nightcap, on one big joint, and then I'm fucking probably gonna fucking end up sharing bed with Tucker because he ain't getting down. He is toasty right now. He's loving life. Had some steak for supper. And who's a happy camper? It's all mine. So cheers, folks.
Hey, bud.
Oh, what's going on, folks?
Hi, Tucker.
What's going on? Oh man. Having a rough go getting out of the old bag this morning. Oh, she's some warm and toasty, let me tell you.
Oh, fuck is it ever?
Not a problem at all. Friggin' sleeping. She's warm.
Nice and toasty.
Fucking nice and toasty.
Real fucking toasty. Oh, fuck. Tucker loved it.
I was up probably 3 or 4 times tonight. Stoked her. Last time I was up, the sun was just coming up. We laid back down. Fell asleep for another couple of hours or something. I don't know what time it is now.
I was up 5 something to stock the fire.
Yeah.
I went right back to bed.
But it's getting a little chilly now. Our fire's completely out. Burnt up.
Gonna get some more wood.
So, project fucking firewood.
I'm gonna take 2 for fuck's sake.
Actually, project fucking... Well, yeah, I guess project firewood and then project coffee.
Coffee and fucking bacon and eggs.
Oh, yeah.
It was then time to make some breakfast. But first, we had to do the dishes. While Tucker munched down his morning kibble, we thought about all the adventures and excitement to come that day. But first, it was time to eat.
What's going on, my peeps? Back on the track. Fully loaded. Got a care package dropped off. We ran out of gas with the chainsaw. Matt's back there, just off the main road. Main dirt road, I guess. We're fucking plugging our way back into the fucking camp. Get the chicken on the rotisserie. So stay tuned for that. Matt's finally catching up to me. Fucking slow ass. It's like his first day on fucking snowshoes or something. I don't know. Not fucking impressed.
But on our way back to camp, there was a few obstacles ahead, including a really, really soft beaver dam. We had to
Across the creek here. She got soft on us.
sack over, man. It's too fucking
Yeah, leave it here. I'll throw it over after. Set it behind you.
fuck that weight.
All right, let's see what happens.
Gotta get a good launch.
Oh yeah, it's not even deep. That's not deep in the bottom there. Come on, Tuck.
Now here I am stuck on this side of everything, for fuck's sakes.
But Matt had a different route. It wasn't nearly as hard.
Fuck.
Made her back to camp.
See, another fuck. See, I did stop. I can't. I keep burping on these fucking videos of yours.
Stop burping on the videos, Matt.
Get out, but the beer tastes so good.
We were having a fucking couple beer after lunch here. Went for a great big hike. Matt fell down into the fucking brook.
Yay.
Right up to his ball sack.
Balls.
To
Ben
throw him a
fell in
rope.
snowshoes.
I had to throw him a rope to fucking pull the cocksucker out. Let me
Ben
tell you.
forgot how to walk for a minute.
Oh, there's Tucker sleeping away like he always is, getting his naps in.
Well, just a little update for y'all. We get the fire. What do you call those? Try rotisserie.
Rotisserie stands.
Y sticks, custom made. If you want some, just
Custom.
hit me up, inbox me.
And
I'll take your order.
If you want a fucking
They cut-
rotisserie stick,
Yeah, it comes with a rotisserie stick. Just
sharp
get a
as
nice-
shit.
Sharp as shit. Jam that right up a chicken's ass, just like fucking cutting through a wet paper bag. I'm telling you, man.
Fucking yeah, don't forget it.
We're gonna make this a little more PG.
I'm pretty
Awful.
sure if this was going on YouTube, there'd be like 90% of this whole video be like beep 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 blank.
Oh,
that,
they probably
blank
wouldn't even.
that.
They'd take it right down off YouTube because they're cussing like sailors.
Well,
You gotta stop saying the F word, man.
I drop it a lot, and you too.
Never said it once in my life. I'd say prepare the chicken. Put a good rub on it.
Fucking plates falling everywhere. Jesus.
Do you need any more spice?
A little bit on the front.
This is the secret camp spice. And we use lots of her. Alright, pat her in there good. Give her a good rub down and we'll shove her stick up her arse.
Give her one more spray bag, too, buddy.
Oh, she's lacking there, eh? Save a little bit of salt for the potatoes. Do chicken potatoes. Get her good. And that is how you tenderize and season a
Fucking chicken.
young female chicken.
Choke the chicken.
All right.
The chicken turned out great, just as juicy as could be. But the work was not done there. We had to find lots of firewood to keep us warm through the night. That was no problem, as the forest that we were staying in had an abundance of dead fir trees that we could utilize. That's what we did.
morning. What's going on, fam?
Fam?
Still out here in the woods.
Oh yeah, killing it.
Just got done our supper and went out for a big rip. Matt, tell us a ghost story.
Yeah, I got nothing, man.
No. It's fucking...
I'm the ghost with the blur.
What? That was a scary one.
He was that guy who decided to go to the party and finger the girl with the period.
Oh.
Fuck, you actually got that on video. Oh, I didn't think you got the end part. That's why I said it. I figured you stopped filming.
Oh, man.
Fucking Jesus.
A couple days in the woods, let me tell you.
Doing some of the shit you come up with, eh?
Yeah, oh man, it's just a simpler way of life. You gotta fucking entertain yourself.
Oh yeah, keep it simple.
For the remainder of the night,
Singing Curtis songs. Hey Matt, doing country all wrong.
Another Haggard
or Johnny Cash.
and that was all the footage we get for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did. Thanks for tuning in.